Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Yep, YouTube. How's it going, everyone? Uh, as you can see or hear, I'm doing a voiceover because I forgot to hit screen record. I did my little 1, 2, 3 to do the syncing and forgot to hit screen record. Anyway, I was out at Costco, had to make a Costco run, and I took my drone and I was actually looking for a park. But I was like, nah, I'll just go right across the street to the shopping plaza. There's a Kohl's over there. And just launched the drone. But here I'm getting set up. I like, I flew over here several times, but there's hardly anyone in this parking lot here. So here I'm just rising up. And I was intending to go to fly over Lowe's and I didn't quite make it there, but this is in Brandon, Florida. It's near the town center, and I'm just panning around. That's I-75 there. I think this is about the third or fourth time since I've been making videos. I forgot to hit screen record, but hats off to you guys who make videos more than I do, and I need to get a checklist or something. But here I start my flight towards the Lowe's. This shopping complex here. They got a Publix, PetSmart, stuff like that. But I started coming down here because I thought I heard an aircraft, and I pulled up my map, didn't see anything. Yeah, doing these voiceovers, I don't care for it too much because I don't know, I think it's a lot different than what I'm thinking when I'm flying and narrating. But well, I was looking to confirm that this was that shopping plaza. I think the weather was temp was like 88, but with the humidity it's probably like 100. Feel like 100 degrees. So we've gotten a taste of fall maybe for a week, and we're back in the 90s. And here, I think coming up, I think is where I started losing signal. So I had to turn around. The feed was getting choppy on the monitor. So I had to turn around. Oh, I was using a ND polarized filter, so as I'm looking at it, it looks good on the computer, but I'm not sure what it'll look like on the television. And I'm just panning around, and I start to head back. As I'm looking at the monitor here, I did make it to Lowe's, as you see there on the like the bottom right. uh, I did make it to Lowe's. Yes, I was that small monitor. Here, the top center, I think I was talking about the phosphate mining operation, and that's located in Riverview. I flew over there before. As you see that mound. All of those, ain't the man-made, gotta be man-made lakes. But lots of housing in this area. Lots of housing. You got townhouses, apartments, a little bit of everything. When I first moved here in like 96, this was just like farmland. But so much development going on. Here I'm panning out at this larger lake. And there's that phosphate operation again, top center. Definitely a great day for flying. It's just so hot. And there's Tampa in the background. I think I was pointing that out. And I start to return home. Excuse me. But driving in a vehicle, again, you'll never see these, all of these lakes and stuff. So I'm trying to figure out what I was doing here. Oh, I got it. I think I put it in cine mode, but I remember in cine mode I restricted my the top speed. I think it goes like a 10 or 11 in cine mode, but I was only getting up to 6. So I popped it back into normal mode and we're moving again. I wonder how many critters are living in these bodies of water. I'll definitely start using ND filters. I got them, but I usually just let the drone figure out all the settings. But and again, heading back to my vehicle. And after I get near where I took off from, Costco, maybe like 3 or 4 months ago, they were redoing their gas pumps. Oh, here I was looking for some guys that were fishing when I started. So I was zooming in to see if they were still here. And here, when I zoomed in, because when I came in, I parked kind of like at the left, the bottom left. But I didn't know if the gas pumps were open again. And I saw this, and then I seen the cars going through. And I said, oh. But the original pumps only had like 2 pumps per island. And then I guess they redid it, and it's like 4 on each side of the island now. So I did go over and fill up. It was quick. Usually there's a line here, especially on the weekend, but how this setup here is, it went pretty fast. So, and I think I'm just gonna land. Maybe. Yep, that's when I did my return to home. We saw the drone spun around like that. I don't know if this lake or whatever this is private. Well, I've never seen a boat out here, but here I'm coming down. There you see me out of the truck. But anyway, I will see you guys later, and I will remember to hit screen record. Have a good one.